Y'all can see it's a rainy day, but we still moving and shaking. So I don't have much planned today. I did get that. I don't know if I told repot the marigold plants into the pot that I found that was underneath the grill. So I got that done before it was raining because I had to bring the other pot in the house. That's actually the pot that it was in. Here I go with that pot plant stuff. But the actual pot that it was in is a house plant pot. It goes inside unless I had a covered deck, but I don't have a covered deck, so I had to bring it in the house. So I know I gotta think of donations today. I'll probably show y'all what I'm gonna donate. Also, I'm gonna drop the baby's clothes off because I have that. And what else? First, I had to get that down because we on a mission to drink a whole lot of more water all the time, more than I normally do, which is a lot. What else? So I'm gonna donate, drop the laundry off, and first I'm gonna make me some coffee. All right? What do people think you are? People think you are a maid service. Like, I don't mind, but even when it comes to your children, sometimes you have to let them know the truth. Okay? Do it look like or not? It looks like to me she has 3 kids. Okay? Look at all these clothes. But look at these shoes y'all wanted to show y'all. Look at these little shoes. I know he's walking. Look at the shoes. They're so cute. And I was able to wash the coat without it messing up the fur on it. I washed the bag. Look at all this. This whole bag is full, but I folded it. And then I washed this bag, and he has his own detergent. So sometimes you have to tell your kids the truth, okay? Even when it hurts, all right? I have never had that much laundry. I wouldn't care who was doing my children's laundry. I was not gonna do that to them. So yeah, I will catch y'all. I'll see y'all in a minute after I get dressed and have my coffee. Bye. So guys, you have the peppers in here mixed with the marigolds, and deers don't like that, the smell of the marigolds. So these peppers, hopefully they will thrive, but they are coming up, so hopefully we'll have some green peppers or red peppers. What?
Peppers.
Oh. See, I was trying to put it in here, but they're gonna go. Don't press too hard, man. I gotta I'm gonna put this in another bag. So just like that, it's sunny again. All right, we back. So, fun fact about me, y'all probably don't know. I am a stager / home decorator. I was just gonna show y'all my business cards without showing y'all too much. But there's my business card, and let me cover up. I'll just let you see like my name. I don't want you to see nothing else, but that's me, y'all. Yes, indeed, that is me. So, my daughter has her own family now, so I have been wanting to go to Walmart. I mean, not Walmart. Let's go back. I have been wanting to go to Target, but my work schedule and her family work schedule didn't add up, so we weren't able to do that. But I was able to go by myself, even though she couldn't go, which is, it's okay. It's okay. So she doesn't know when I drop off the stuff. I got her the, well, y'all already know, I'm gonna take her this. So I'm gonna show y'all what I picked up from Target because I need to wrap this up, okay? So I picked up this, y'all, from Target. It's so pretty. This is it's a statue. It's $5 in that section. So that's this way, whichever one. But it has a face on it. I'm gonna try to use a plant that I already have, put it in here, grow it, and I'm gonna set it on the coffee table. So in the last video, y'all probably seen this in the thumbnail or something. But I paid $5 for this. And like I said, I only went in there because she wanted shea butter from somewhere, and I kept telling her that Target has it for like lower than the average, lower than I think Target. So I got her the same one that I bought myself. So I got her that, and that's what made me get that. So I'm gonna take her this, and then I'm gonna wrap up her vase, you know, and take that with me. But I know I'm gonna make me a smoothie before I leave though. So we're gonna have that ready to go with that stuff. And like I said, I'm gonna put this here. This is what I wanted to show y'all. This pot here, this pot is for me to use to turn upside down. I'm gonna bring y'all around because I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. This is a house plant pot with the grooves on it. Y'all, this used to have one of my house plants. If you've been following me for a while, one of y'all know what was in here. So I'm gonna use this to do something else real quick, okay? Before we step out. Let me wipe y'all face. I knew it looked a bit blurry and it wasn't just me. So, oh boy, I've been working on this hair, y'all. Every time I twist out my hair, it just takes a long time for it to like lay right. But I actually feel it doesn't have to be perfect because you are natural. That's what makes it look better when you are natural. So yeah, but this, I'll show y'all our outfit of the day. I got on those cargo these are the cargo shorts by Target brand. What is the Target brand? Is it Threshold brand? I don't know. Y'all let me know. But this is it. I just got on like this crop tank top, white. It got like rib in it. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like a rib top. The cargo shorts. And I have on my one pair of sandals. So let's go ahead and put this, I'm gonna put this up like I said. So I'm gonna turn this upside down because I wanna raise up our fiddly fig. So that's all I wanted to do, y'all. Oh, let me move it out the way first. Turn it. Okay. All right. I like it. I like it. Guys, I like it. So that's what it looks like. It's a pedestal just to get it off the floor, raise it up a little bit. But y'all already know she growing too. So, yeah. So let me go ahead and make my smoothie before I leave out and then finish up the rest of my exercise. So I'm having bananas. I got some blueberries, spinach, cucumber, and I'm gonna use my Califium. This is the only almond milk I've been using because this is carrageenan free, and you have to make sure. So make sure it is, where is it at here? Make sure it has carrageenan free right there on there. So I'm gonna throw in, I take a capsule of my collagen. I put it in here like that. No ginger today, y'all. No ginger today. Go ahead and add my mix. Did y'all see it again? This is the blueberry, spinach, cucumber. I already had everything cut up. We're gonna put the banana in there. I was only gonna use half, but I think I'll use all of it. Y'all, I'm just getting back into I'll be in my bag. In my healthy bag, but a more healthier bag, okay? That look good, don't it? Well, it would have been more green, but we got blueberries in there, so y'all already know how that is with the blueberries. Oh, I wanted to show y'all, I picked up this from Aldi's the other day. This is root beer probiotic soda, and it has 9 grams of plant fiber. So this was really good. Okay, so if y'all wanted to try it, see what you think and let me know. Let's taste this. Oh, it's a little green. It's a little green in there. It's a little green in there. Let's taste though. Mm. 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 I was trying to put a little something on, even though I ain't really going nowhere, you know. Sometimes it's okay. I ain't gonna sit here and act like I don't never, ever want to do it, but sometimes it's all right. I don't even, y'all probably can't even see it. Can y'all see a little? I don't know. I hope y'all didn't hear my stomach growling, because it was sure growling. And this thing fell in the sink. Like some of my palette, some of the pieces came out. I don't know what color this is, but we're gonna just try it. Uh-oh, I'm losing myself. I'm losing Sam. All right. Oh, you ain't got no pants on. It's the laundry maid.
So?
She here. Be careful with that. Hold on. What is something in there? 1 second. Hold on. Look at her face, y'all. Look at us in the back. Hurry up so I can get out of here. I'm trying to hurry up.
Thank you.
Go Bookie!
Go Bookie! Go Bookie!
Go Bookie! Go Bookie!
Go Bookie! Go Bookie! Go Bookie! Go Bookie! Go Bookie! Go Bookie! Go Bookie! Go Bookie! Go Bookie! Baby, what's your phone number? Girl, I ain't heard that in a long time. But y'all, I am here, and I'm just gonna show y'all real quick what I got to take. I actually have, oh, let me see. Hold on, y'all. Let me get out this card. I got this. Y'all remember this? I never really used it, y'all. The threshold napkin holder. I also had to get rid of these, y'all, because I don't know if y'all remember this set. It's some forks and spoons, and it says, uh-oh. Wait a minute, I don't know if y'all can be able to see it. Let me show y'all. On here it says, if y'all can see that, it says, I forking love you. Had to let them go, honey. Ain't no more of that. Ain't no more. Ain't no love. Not that it wasn't from me, I'm just saying. So I got that. And then y'all remember these dishes? The 4-pack of white dishes from Threshold? I'm gonna let these go. I put them all in the box because I was barely using them. So I'd rather bless the mothers with these little things here. And that's going to end the vlog, y'all. And y'all want to know what the beautiful thing about this? They sent me something letting me know that they were able to like house two mothers, like 2 families with all the gifts and things that I gave. I really appreciate that because I come from that. I was in a shelter before. I went through some things before. Life is not perfect. We all go through stuff. So I will see y'all in the next vlog. It's getting dark and I'm trying to do some work before it gets dark. All right, y'all. Peace.